Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel USA Immigration and Visa. Today we are going to discuss tips to book USA visa interview slots faster. Let's start the video. Securing a US visa interview slot can be a real challenge, especially given the high demand for certain visa categories. Whether you're a student, a business traveler, or an exchange visitor, finding an available appointment can often feel like a game of chance. If you're applying for a visa in India, the situation is even more competitive. The visa categories that are particularly difficult to book include F1 and F2 visas, B1 and B2 visas, J1 and J2 visas, and M1 and M2 visas. F1 and F2 visas. These are for students and their dependents. Given the large number of international students aspiring to study in the US, these slots fill up quickly, making it crucial to act fast. B1 and B2 visas. These cover business and tourism. With many travelers and businesspeople eager to visit the US, these slots are highly sought after and can be difficult to secure. J1 and J2 visas. For exchange visitors and their dependents. The popularity of various cultural and educational exchange programs means these slots are also in high demand. M1 and M2 visas. These are for vocational students and their dependents. While not as common as F1, there's still significant competition for these slots due to the steady flow of vocational students. To help you navigate this competitive landscape, we've compiled some top tips to book US visa interview slots faster. These strategies will boost your chances of securing an interview date more efficiently. Let's dive into these practical tips and tricks. 1. Self-checking interview dates regularly. Regularly checking for available interview dates is crucial. The U.S. Embassy updates available slots frequently, and they can fill up within minutes. By checking multiple times a day, you increase your chances of finding an open slot. Example. For F1 visa applicants, a student checked the embassy website every morning and evening. Her diligence paid off when she found an available slot early one morning, which she booked immediately. 2. Joining Facebook or Reddit communities for visa appointments. Online communities on platforms like Facebook and Reddit can be invaluable. These groups are full of people in the same boat, and members often share tips, updates, and alerts about open slots. It's like having a team of people helping you look for openings. Example, a family applying for F2 visas joined a Facebook group dedicated to US visa applicants. Through this group, they received a timely alert about newly available slots and were able to book their appointment. 3. Joining WhatsApp, Telegram, and Messenger chat rooms for visa date slots. Joining chat rooms on WhatsApp, Telegram, and Messenger can provide real-time updates. These groups often have members who post instant notifications when they spot available slots, allowing you to act quickly. Example, for an M1 visa applicant, Rajesh joined a Telegram group that focused on US visa appointments. One evening, he got an alert about an open slot and secured his appointment before it was taken. 4. Paying an agent to book the slots. While it may involve additional costs, paying an agent can sometimes be the quickest way to secure an interview slot. Agents have experience and tools that can track and book slots more efficiently than individuals can. Example, for B1/B2 visa applicants, a business traveler hired an agent. The agent was able to find and book an interview slot within a week, saving time and stress. 5. Using multiple devices. Logging in from multiple devices can increase your chances of finding an open slot. Different devices can access the site simultaneously, giving you a better chance to catch a newly open slot. Example, for a B1/B2 visa, applicant and her husband both logged in from their phones and laptop. They were able to secure an appointment because one device showed an open slot before the others. 6. Checking during off-peak hours. Checking for slots during off-peak hours, like late at night or early in the morning, can be beneficial as there is less traffic on the website. Example, for a J2 visa applicant, Manish found an open slot at 2 a.m. when there were fewer people online, allowing him to book it without competition. 7. Utilizing visa expediting services. Some services specialize in expediting visa appointments. These can be especially useful if you are on a tight schedule. Example, for an M1 visa applicant, using an expediting service helped Lakshmi get an appointment within days, compared to weeks of waiting on her own. 8. Leveraging university resources. Many universities have international student offices that can assist with the visa process. They may have tips, resources, or even connections that can help you secure an interview slot. Example, for an F1 visa applicant, the International Student Office at Johns University provided him with additional resources and contacts that helped him book an interview slot faster. 9. Monitoring embassy announcements. Keep an eye on official announcements from the U.S. Embassy. They may release information about additional slots or changes in the booking process. Example, for a B1/B2 visa applicant, Lila monitored the U.S. Embassy's official website and social media channels. When new slots were announced, she was among the first to book an appointment. 10. Preparing all necessary documents in advance. Having all your documents ready means you can book a slot at any time without delay. Missing documents can cause delays and missed opportunities. Example, for a J1 visa applicant, having documents like DS-2019, passport, and proof of funding ready allowed Reena to book a slot as soon as one became available, without having to scramble for paperwork. 11. Setting up alerts and notifications. Set up email or text alerts through the embassy website if available. This ensures you receive immediate updates on new slots. Example, for an F2 visa applicant, Ramesh set up email notifications through the U.S. Embassy's appointment system. He got an email about a new slot opening and booked it within minutes. 12. Being persistent and patient. Persistence and patience are key. Continuously checking and staying prepared can eventually pay off even if the process takes time. Example, for an F1 visa applicant, Maya checked the website several times a day for 2 weeks. Her persistence was rewarded when she finally found an open slot and booked it immediately. That's all in this video. I hope the information is helpful and will help you to book your visa appointment easily. See you in next video.